it's your girl Chanel Stevens, and I'm back again with another video. And in this video, I'm gonna be giving you a free done for you campaign. Make sure you drop a like on this video, comment down below if you like me dropping videos going over how to make money with CPA marketing, things like that. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Turn on those post notifications so you'll be notified when I drop a new video. All right, so first things first, what I want to do is bring up Facebook. I actually have Facebook pulled up on my phone. I already started the screen share. What I like to do is just basically scroll through my feed. I'm showing affiliate marketing things all the time, maybe because I'm in the niche and I click on affiliate ads. Whenever you see things that look like affiliate ads, what you want to do is make sure you click on it. You can save it for later. You can go through to the landing pages just so you can get cookied. You want to get cookied so that Facebook shows you more of those type of ads, right? Let's just see what pops up. We have some gossip type stuff. And right off the bat, we have an affiliate offer right here. So it says a genius way to get rid of credit card debt. So this looks like some type of debt relief offer. I think I said in my other videos, these offers are really, really hot right now. So if you're not sure that it's an affiliate ad, one way to check is just kind of look at the page name where you can see Brian Jensen, and you can hit the call to action and just see if that matches up with like whatever the site is talking about. The site looks like an affiliate offer. It's a quiz style landing page. It says advertisement. They have the disclaimer at the bottom. What you'll do is you'll just kind of click through this page just to like see where it takes you, and it looks like it redirects you off of one click. Let's just run that back real quick. It looks like it says 1 2 3 4, but it's actually not really 4 steps. This is just the page style, and once you tap your age to qualify, it sends you to the offer. So I'm pretty sure no matter what you click, it's gonna just send you to the offer. Which you can see the offer right here is Freedom Debt Relief. What you can do is you can hit save link on that, and I like to put it in business and finance. And then you also can save the landing page as well by just going here, clicking save, right? And then you put that in business and finance as well. All right, so after you saved everything, to do further research and things like that, what you want to do is come to your home page on your actual desktop or laptop, and you want to go to the Save tab on the side. And once you're on that Save tab, what you want to do is you want to find what you saved. Looks like these are the links that I saved, and this is the actual post. So what you can do is bring up this post here. Here's the ad right here. And you also can go to the home of the fan page, and once you're at the home, what you can scroll down and do is see all ads, right? You want to go to the ad library as well just to see, what else they're running. It's looking like they've been running this ad currently active, so this ad must be winning. And you can just scroll down to see like what else has been launching. See, this ad is inactive, but you're able to see this ad was launched in May and it's active. This is also another ad that you can swipe as well. The next thing for you to do is basically get access to the offer. So we know the offer is linking to Freedom Debt Relief. What you can do is you can hit your affiliate manager up. It may be available on the network. It may just be a private offer for only certain affiliates to run. So just ask your affiliate managers, do they have access to the offer or anything like it? They can have an offer that might not be Freedom Debt Relief, but it may be a spin on Freedom Debt Relief, and you can use the same type of resources to promote that as well. This is the actual offer landing page, but what you want to do is kind of go to the website. Not only if your affiliate managers have it, but they might also allow you to be approved directly. You can be a direct affiliate with certain offers as well. What you'll look for is scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you'll look for something that says maybe partnerships or affiliates or something like that. So I clicked on partnerships, and let's just see if we can see anything. Affinity program. Affiliates program. Here you go, right here. Marketing partners and affiliates. So you can actually reach out to them directly, tell them what you want to do, and contact the affiliates team right here. Send them an email, let them know, hey, I'm looking to run some Facebook traffic to your offers, see what's actually allowed through them directly. All right, so now you know how to get access to offers, whether direct or through your network, through your affiliate manager. Now, what you want to do now is learn how to rip pages, because that's really going to be actually key. especially if you're new and you don't understand how to build pages and other things and who to reach out to get your pages made. This is the easiest way to do it. So what you want to do is come back to the actual landing page, and what you can do is you can hit save as, and you can save this. I'll just save it to my desktop, and I'll title it freedom, and I'll just save that. And you can see it's saved as an HTML. They're linking to the offer through here, through this logo. They're linking to the offer through all these tabs right here. They're linking to their privacy policy in their home. So these are things you will want to change out. And I'm just highlighting that. This is a 1-page lander. It doesn't go to 3 or 4. So once you land on this page, you're already at 2. You hit here and go to the offers. Basically, a very simple form to edit. All you're going to need is something called Sublime Text. All right, so this is Sublime Text, and I have a Mac, so of course it's telling me to download for Mac. But if you don't have a Mac, it should have something to download for Windows. Like you can see right here, you click right there and download for your actual Windows computer as well. Now, once you have this downloaded on your computer, all you have to do is pull it up and Sublime Text, and I will open the freedom.html file. Once you have this pulled up, I don't want you to be intimidated and think, oh my gosh, what's going on? This looks confusing. I didn't know this was a coding class. Like, don't be intimidated. This is really, really simple. You don't have to be a coder. You don't have to know anything about code to be able to do what I'm about to teach you. And this is basically just changing the links. How I just highlighted all the links, I'm going to basically show you that in the code. So how do you find links in code? So what you want to do is pull up the find tool. Now this can be on Mac, Command F. On Windows, I think it's Control F. Once you pull that up, you see this bar right here at the bottom. So what do you want to type in here? You want to type in HTTPS. Now, the reason you're typing that is because you want to find all the links in this actual file. It's going to highlight everything. As you can see, it's 14 links. And that's basically finding all the links that are in this actual file right here. So what you want to do is look for a link that's linking to an actual affiliate offer. Google. All right, and this looks more like it. clicks.trackthisclicks.com/click. So this looks like the tracking link that the affiliate set up. So what you can do is you can copy this here, and you can put this whole thing right here. You can hit find all, and it'll find everything in the page. You can bring Control F back up. It'll be highlighted all the affiliate links. So what you'll want to do is just change it to your link, whether that's a volume link, BMob link, whatever type of link, you direct linking straight to the offer without tracking or anything. You can just put that right here. I'm just going to change it to Google because I don't have any links to put in right now. So let me just put google.com. And then what you'll want to do is you'll want to just come here and just change out all these links to just go to your offer, right? So google.com. Okay, on this page, you can see there, have privacy policy. So you want to make sure all these links are linking to your actual page. You do need to set up a domain. You might even want to change out the logo, make your own logo. And how you can find this logo is simply open image up in new tab, and it'll show you the name of this actual file. So what you'll do is you'll just copy that, and you can find that in this file as well. I just went with logo.png and I hit find all, and this is what got highlighted. That's how simple and easy it is to basically change out the files. So what you'll want to do is save all your resources to the folder as well. So what I'm really talking about, just to break it down, is when you save that as a web page, it's going to save the HTML page, and it's also going to save the files. So inside the files, you can see all the resources. This is the resource you will want to change out, which is the logo. You can see the logo here. It's a transparent money and expenses. So whatever your page is called, whatever logo you create for your page, you'll pretty much just copy that into this, and you can just have the name the same, just so you don't mix anything up. You don't have to change any more code. But if you do change the name, just make sure you add that to the actual source right here. But to make it simple, I would just keep everything the same. The easiest thing would just be just changing it to the exact thing, dragging your file in there, naming it the exact thing, and then just replacing it. So you don't have to like really keep messing with too much code. You don't want to mess with too much code because you can break it, but it's not too hard. Like somebody can fix it. You can hire someone like a actual web designer or something like that to fix your code for you. But let's just move on. Once you have everything changed in here, what you want to do is you want to hit file, and then you want to hit save. And what you want to do is come to this Freedom HTML and just drag it into your browser. So let's just drag it. Okay. And you can just test it out and see if it's going to your link by just clicking. You can see, boom, it's taking me to Google. So yes, Google, right? So that'll be your link if it's your link. And that's just the simple and easy way to rip landers. Make sure that your logo actually matches your domain. Okay, make it more professional. Another thing is, because you guys may be like, well, how do I put the landing page and connect it to my actual domain? FileZilla. So download FileZilla. If you have a domain name, you have it hosted to whether HostGator, whatever you use for hosting, make sure you have FileZilla downloaded. I'm going to show you guys how to pretty much upload your page to your domain. All right, so once you're on FileZilla, you're going to basically log in through the domain that you create and the hosting account that you're using. You'll put your username here, password here. So this is my cPanel information. So it's sensitive information. I got to block out my username, but you enter your cPanel username and your password, and you'll hit quick connect. And once you hit quick connect, it's going to allow you to view your public HTML file within your domain. And what this file is basically what people see on your domain. So what you want to do is just create a directory. And so this directory, we'll just call it Freedom. So once you enter that in, what you'll do is you'll go to the Freedom folder, and it'll be an empty directory listing. So what you want to do is drag those files that you just saved. So you want to drag the Freedom files and the HTML page. But what I want you to do is first change this to index.php. And it'll all make sense later, but this is just so it can actually be read on your actual domain. It's something to do with code. I don't know the technical aspects behind it. I just know that's what you have to do. What you'll do is drag that into the directory. And once you actually drag that into the directory, all you have to do now is literally go to your domain and do domain/freedom. And it should pull up the actual site. So let's go here, mogulriches.com/freedom, because that's what I have it set up as. And boom, you can see mogulriches.com/freedom. And you can see if we click here, it takes you to Google or your website or whatever you have set up there. With this video, I showed you how to take the total campaign for yourself. So this is a freebie. Go out there, get approved for this Freedom Debt Relief offer. Obviously, it's hot. It's been running since February. Has some things going in May that's still active. You can take these ads for yourself. You can switch it up. You may not want to take the same exact ad. Maybe keep the same copy, but redo the style or something like that, just to be unique. Keep in mind other people will watch this video, maybe a couple thousand, who knows. Make sure you're staying competitive, be unique. And when it comes to the page, same thing. Don't just take the whole page. Money and expenses, that's not your domain. Whatever your domain is going to be called, make sure that your logo actually matches. Go out there, get cookied for as many affiliate offers. Type in keywords on niches that you're interested in Facebook. You can try different headlines as well with these certain ads, but I just wanted to show you guys how simple and easy it is to make a campaign, find campaigns for Facebook ads. If you haven't done so already, make sure you like this video. I'm giving out a ton of value. I'm gonna be dropping more videos on this actual channel. I just showed you guys how to take landers, set them up for yourself, change links. So you just got like 2-3 new skills all in one video. Hit the subscribe button. Make sure you turn your post notifications on so you are notified anytime I drop a new video. Also, if you didn't know, Mogul Academy right now is 25% off, and I am closing to restructure it. Yes, I will be making a more personalized type mentorship that's going to be a little more high ticket. So right now, here's your chance to learn from me, learn everything I know about CPA marketing at a lower price point. You'll be able to save a few $100 and also learn my tips and strategies on how I make money with CPA marketing and the things I do that I won't release on this actual YouTube channel. I'll only keep inside my coaching program or my course. All right, that's all I got for this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.